Hi, I'm Dr. Manjunath Yu, consultant physician, diabetologist, and medical superintendent at Sri Lakshmi Super Specialty Hospital, Kayarpuram. We are happy to announce that we have entered the entry level of NABH accreditation. Our hospital basically is specialized in nephrourology, where we have an 100-watt holmium laser for kidney stones and prostate. At our hospital, we cater healthcare facilities across various departments, from Department of Cardiology, Nephrology, Neurology, as well as in surgical departments of general surgery, plastic surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, and orthopedics. In our hospital, we have a very well equipped team of emergency, where the emergency doctors have been catering here with the healthcare facilities 24/7, as well as we have well equipped OTs, modular OTs, where all the kinds of surgeries from general surgery to the neurosurgery have been happening day in and day out. We have dialysis center at our hospital, which is running 24/7 for both privileged as well as underprivileged people at different costs. And also we have a well equipped ICU with a specific ICU team and dedicated staffs at all the levels of services, with wards, general wards, semi-deluxe wards, as well as deluxe wards. And also we have various TPA partners for the insurance, where we give both cashless and reimbursement facilities. We provide diagnostic facilities in Department of Hematology, Microbiology, Biochemistry, as well as radiology services, which includes X-ray, ultrasounds, and CT scans, which are provided across 24/7 of the day. We have services which are catering 24/7, which includes primarily the emergency services with dedicated emergency doctors been working 24/7. Along with, we have the insurance services for both cashless and reimbursement 24/7. And also we have the pharmacy and the ambulance services working 24/7, and we have the laboratory services as well as the diagnostic services, which have been catering round the clock. In laboratory services, we have the hematology, microbiology, biochemistry, and in the radiological services, we have been having the ultrasound, CT scan, as well as the X-ray. At our hospital, we have been treating both infectious and non-infectious patients, where we also, with the treatment, we also take utmost importance of educating the patient as well as the attenders regarding the diseases. We have been treating patients from a wide range of diseases, from both infective and non-infective cases. We have been not only treating the patient, but also we try to educate the patient as well as the attenders with empathy and sympathy in understanding the disease. We have been also successful in treating many of the critical care patients and critically ill patients with a lot of sepsis, severe sepsis, diabetic ketoacidosis, septic encephalopathy, along with severe kidney diseases which come with pyelonephritis and many other conditions. We have been treating a good number of diabetic patients, where we give diabetic management not only by prescribing them medications which may contain OHS or insulin, but also making them understand the way to combat diabetes, which involves the 4 pillars, that is, been having a good lifestyle, which involves diet management, exercise management, as well as taking care of the infection with a disciplined approach to medications. So where we try to understand the disease from the patient perspective, as well as treat them to the best of their knowledge. We wish to get a lot of support from the society to give better health care and better management at all times. Thank you.